Last 2 days has been really hectic as because of the coronavirus, we were re-strategizing, the way we need to take some of the things at work forward. Well, if you actually see, I'm already justifying myself what's going to be coming ahead in this particular video. Last night my son comes up to me and tells me, I don't understand this. And I was like, what don't you understand? I thought he's doing his homework, he has some doubts in it. And this is what he tells me. He says that we're always told no gadget time, or the gadget time has to be limited. But Mama, do you know who are the two people who use the maximum amount of gadget time and almost all the time? And I knew what's coming. And it was like, whether I should hide under my laptop or under the table. And he says, it's you and Papa who is always on the gadget, working all the time. And this was at 9:30 at night, and I had actually promised them that I'm going to be watching a movie with them, and I was pushing by half an hour, half an hour, half an hour. So uh, I immediately told him that you're right, and I think we should change our names from now onwards. You tell us things better and you say it in a very great way. So let's make you as the mummy of the house, and let me become the little child of the house, because there's so much to learn from you. Now here, the reason I'm making this video is many of the times we tell our kids to be more responsible, to be disciplined, to be able to manage their time better. They should be compassionate. They should be learning how to lose, gracefully. Now, how many of these things we are actually able to do it for our own self? And what I strongly feel is books, movies, or anything else rather, the life lessons we learn from our kids are huge. The only thing is, when they're coming and telling us, are we just hushing them away, telling them, oh, you don't know, we are right because we have this, 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 or we literally settling down and listen to them, that what they're saying is making sense, because whenever they do things, they also have their own reasons. So let's stop justifying ourselves over the way we do, and instead keep our minds open to the learnings which they have all the time to offer to us, because what's coming from them is out of pure purity and pure innocence. So that was my lesson, to be able to manage the time better and to implement things on myself before telling them to my kids. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next time something like that happens to you, keep your mind open and let's be more respectful to what kids are saying. Take care, stay safe.